is one of the most difficult things I found to do in Canvas. As we go to the home page then for our module, we have our GYN Oncology module. We're able to make a new page for our home page. And we want to add that page. We want to make it look as the Start Here button so that we don't lose students or parents if we have those. And then we can put various things in here. We can put websites, we can put pictures, we can add videos or record media for our students, but we're able to put things from our computer into our home page that we want. Welcome messages, pictures, etc. When we get those areas in there, then we can click Save, but we would really like to do most likely Save and Publish. So when we come over here to our three dots, we're going to say use that then as the front page, and when it's published, then the student logs on, and in our student view, we would get our Start Here with all our information so the student won't be lost.